Whether you're looking for a generator to keep you powered on the road or at home, the Westinghouse WGen3600 portable generator is a dependable and convenient portable power solution for you. There are many products available to choose Westinghouse portable generator, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Westinghouse portable generator from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. The Westinghouse WGen3600v portable generator is a convenient generator to keep you powered on the road or at your home during a power outage. With 4 650 peak watts and 3 600 running watts, this generator runs for up to 14 hours at a time with a 4-gallon, 15 liters, gasoline fuel tank. The WGen3600v features a powerful 212cc 4-stroke OHV Westinghouse engine with a cast iron sleeve designed for durability, featuring a built-in fuel gauge and automatic low oil shutdown. It's equipped with an RV-ready TT30R30A outlet that conveniently hooks to your travel trailer, keeping the air conditioner and travel necessities up and running all day long, with an 5-lira 30R outlet and household duplex outlets. Without the addition of the wheel kit, this unit minimizes sliding when being transported. Rubber outlet covers provide added protection from the environment and rugged conditions. An intuitive control panel makes the WGen3600v simple and easy to use with guided yellow touchpoints. The WGen3600v portable generator is complete with 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage with lifetime technical support, backed by our nationwide Westinghouse customer service and support network. Perfect as a portable power solution for travel trailers or a backup power source at home. 3,600 running watts, 4,650 peak watts with recoil start. Runs for up to 13.5 hours on a 4-gallon fuel tank with built-in fuel gauge. Powered by a 212cc 4-stroke OHV Westinghouse engine constructed with a durable cast iron sleeve. Weighing 107 pounds with as low as 68 bar operating volume. 1 120-volt duplex household outlets, 1 5-lira 30R, and 1 TT30R RV receptacle with rubber outlet covers. Safe and convenient with automatic low oil shutdown, automatic voltage regulation, and overload protection. Hardened steel frame with foam grip handle and rugged never flat wheels make portability easy. EPA and CARB compliant. All Westinghouse portable generators are functionally tested in the factory and may contain minimum residual oil and/or fuel odor.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more informative information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below.